Hey, it's math time. You ready to add and subtract? There are a whole lot of numbers. We're getting smarter with every math fact. Hey, welcome back to Math with Mrs. McMillan. Today we're going to be talking yet again about money. Money. And before we can start talking about money, we have to remember the names of the coins and how much they're worth. I hope you've been practicing and getting quicker at this because we're going to do another race. Are you ready? Click that brain into high gear and try to name the coin and its value before I do. Ready, set, go. Quarter, 25 cents. Penny, 1 cent. Dime, 10 cents. Nickel, 5 cents. Did you beat me? Nice work. All it takes is a little practice to get fast at something. So today we're going to be talking about different ways to make the same amount of money. Like you could have 25 cents with 1 quarter, or you could have 25 cents with 2 dimes and a nickel. Here we go. All right, let's find some different ways to make the same amount of money. So right here on our mat, let's see how much we have all together. We have 2 dimes, a nickel, and a penny. So 10, 20, 25, 26. All together here we have 26 cents. What's a different way that we could make 26 cents using different coins? Here we go, let's think about this. These two together make 20, plus this is 25. I know a coin that's 25. A quarter. Now, let's see, we need 26 cents. So what do we have to add? Hey, very good, you were right, just a penny. So this is 26 cents, and that is 26 cents. Do you think there's another way we could make 26 cents? Of course there is. Each of these dimes is worth 10 cents. What coins would we need to use in order to make 10 cents? Yeah, 2 nickels. So what if we did this? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. Look at that. Right here on our mat, we have the same amount, and we've made it in 3 different ways. 2 dimes, a nickel and a penny, a quarter and a penny, 5 nickels and a penny. These are all the same amount, 26 cents. Do you think there's yet another way to make 26 cents? Of course there is. There are so many different ways. Let's see here. We could use 1 dime, that's 10. 2 nickels, that's 10. And then look at this. What if we changed it up and went? So here we have 10, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 26 cents. We have a dime, 2 nickels, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies. 6 pennies. All righty. Oh my goodness. We could also just use 26 pennies to make 26 cents. It's kind of fun to mix and match and see how many different ways you could come up with the same amount. Let's try another one. All right, let's count this up and see how much money we have all together, and then we'll find different ways to make that same amount. Here we have 2 quarters, we have a dime, a nickel, and 2 pennies. So let's see here. I know that 2 quarters makes 50 cents. 1 quarter is 25, and when I add 25 to 25, I have 50 cents. So here we go, 50 cents, 60, 65, 66, 67. Now we have 67 cents altogether. Let's come up with a new way to make the same amount, 67 cents. What could we do? Well, I know that this is 25 cents, and if I have 2 dimes, that's 20 cents. And then if I add a nickel to it, that's 25 cents. So 2 dimes and a nickel is the same amount as 1 quarter. This is 25 cents, and that is 25 cents. So what if we did 2 dimes, a nickel, that's 25, plus another 25. And then we could break this dime up into 2 nickels. Oh my goodness, we could get so creative with this. And then we're going to need 5, 7 more cents. What if we just use pennies for that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look at this. We used a lot of coins this time to make this amount of money. So 67 cents can also be made like this. 10, 20, 25, plus 25 is 50. 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. We did it. Now we could also use 67 pennies, but that's going to take us a while to count. I wonder if there's another way that we could do this. Ooh, I thought of one. What if we use 6 dimes? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67. So right here we have 3 different ways to make the same amount of money. This is 67 cents. This is 67 cents. And so is this. Hey, let's try it one more time with a new amount. Okay, here's our next amount. Let's count this up. These are all dimes, and then we have 2 nickels, and we have a bunch of pennies. So let's see how much money we have all together. Let's start by counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Thanks for counting with me. You'll never get good at counting money if you don't practice it. And one good way to practice it is to do it with someone else. Here we go. We have 55 cents. So, this is using a lot of coins. How many coins do we have all together? Let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Oh my goodness, we took 14 coins in order to make 85 cents. I wonder if there's a way to make 85 cents using less coins than this. What do you think? Yeah, very good. There is a different way, and we could use a lot less coins. This takes up a lot of space in your pocket. Let's try to reduce the number of coins that we used altogether. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Ooh, I feel like we've learned something that equals 75. You knew, 3/4. 3/4 is 75 cents. And look at how easy it is. Look at that. These 3 coins equals the same amount as this whole row of coins, 75 cents. Now, this is 85 cents. Oh, 75 plus what would make 85? Very good, plus 10. If we just throw in a dime here, we have 75, 85 cents. Look how much easier this is going to be to put into your pocket. It's so many less coins. Oh my goodness, we only used 4 here to make 85 cents. That's awesome. What do you think would be the way to make 85 cents using the most coins? Did you say pennies? If you said pennies, you were correct. If I made 85 cents out of pennies, I'd have to use 85 coins. That's a lot. Can you imagine the space that would take up if you were trying to hold 85 pennies in your pocket? Good grief. Here we go. Let's do this on paper. Let's say that we had 30 cents. And 30 cents could be made with just 3 dimes. Now remember, when I'm drawing out money, I'm just going to make circles. They don't have to be the same size as the coin would have been. And I'm going to write the amount that I intend the coin to be in the middle of each circle. So here we go, 10, 20, 30. That's 30 cents. Now let's find a different way to make 30 cents. I like to start by just seeing if I could break any of these coins up into different coins. And I know that 10 is really just 5 plus 5. So I could use 2 nickels here instead of this dime. So we could make 30 cents like this. With 2 nickels and 2 dimes. 5, 10, 20, 30. That's 30 cents. I wonder if there's yet another way. You already thought of it. Man, you're smart. What if we broke all these up into 2 nickels like this? There's another way to make 30 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 nickels. So we could go like this. Sticking our 5 in the middle of each one because we intend for these to be nickels. And that would be 30 cents. Let's count it and make sure. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Great. We could also, if we had the time and energy, do this and make 30 pennies. That would be 30 cents. Or you could do 10 pennies and 2 dimes. There are so many different ways that you could combine coins in order to make one same amount, 30 cents. Hey, let's try another one. All right, let's count this amount up and see how much we have. 25 plus 5, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 cents. So all together here I have 35 cents. Let's see if we could come up with a new way to make 35 cents. So I like to take a look at the coins and see if I could break any of them up. Now look at this. This quarter is 25 cents. And I remember from earlier that I used 3 coins to make 25 cents. I used 2 dimes and a nickel to make 25 cents. So when I am thinking about how to break up this amount into different coins, this is one way that I could do it. I could go dime, dime, nickel, and then bring the rest of these down if I wanted to. But ooh, I'm seeing something fun here. Look at these pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of them. What coin could we use to make 5 cents? You're right, another nickel. Very good. Alrighty, so let's count this up and see if we have enough. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. We did it. We made 35 cents. Now we could break this up even further because I know that these dimes could be broken up into 2 nickels. So, oh my goodness, look at this. We could use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nickels to make 35 cents. That's pretty clever. Okay, here's a new amount. 3 quarters and a penny. Here we go. 2 quarters makes 50 cents and 3 quarters equals 75 cents. 75 plus 1 is 76 cents. Great. Now let's see if there's a different way that we can make 76 cents. Yes, we could throw down 76 pennies. That's going to take us a while to write, but we could totally use all pennies for this. We could also break these quarters down, and we know that each quarter breaks down into 2 dimes and a nickel. So, wow, we could do 2 dimes and a nickel for each one of these. So here we go. Let's try that. Dime, dime, nickel, dime, dime, nickel, dime, dime, nickel, penny. Ooh! And we got to write them all in. That's a lot of coins. And this is going to really freak out how we count them up. Let's try to count them up in order. We're going to go back and forth counting by 10s and counting by 5s. This is going to be fun. 10, 20, 25, 35, 45, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76. Yep, this is 76 cents. Look how many coins we use. We went from using 1, 2, 3, 4 coins to using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coins. Holy smokes, that's a lot. So take up a lot of space in your pocket. We could use even more coins by breaking up each of these dimes into 2 5s. Oh my goodness, that would be crazy. Let's try it. Let's count up, see how many nickels it would take. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of nickels. Now we'd have to sit and put 5s in every single one of these. Let's see how many coins that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 coins. Whoa, we could really break 76 cents down into a lot of different combinations of coins, some using less coins and some using a whole lot more coins. Very good. Thanks for joining me today for math. Now if you would please just click on the activity that I've attached to this video and try to find different ways to make the same amount of money. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.